Hi, Orly Steinberg with Keller Williams in Ringwood with our Mortgage Minute. So with Shane Force of Guaranteed Rate. So today we're going to discuss renovation loans, because if you're buying a property that is in really horrible condition or a bank foreclosure, which is as is, you may need and qualify for a renovation loan. Shane, what does that involve?
Yeah, so a renovation loan allows you to purchase a home that is not in good condition now. Maybe there's holes in the wall, leaks in the roof, mold in the basement. With most mortgage programs, FHA, VA, conventional loans, if there's a hole in the wall, it needs to be fixed prior to the closing.
Right.
The great thing about a renovation loan is there can be a big hole in the roof, there water can be leaking in, there can be active mold in the basement, and you can close on that property as long as it's included in a list of repairs that are going to be done after the closing. And we do an appraisal on the future value of that home.
Right.
So you could, add a bathroom, add a bedroom, redo the kitchen. You don't like the floor in the bathroom, you can put that in and redo that. And we do a future value appraisal, so that's what we'll be lending off of. Yeah.
That's a great loan, and especially if you're an investor. So this is Orly Steinberg with Shane Force of Guaranteed Rate.